Well, first of all, a very warm and pleasant good morning to each and everyone, honorable principal sir, respectable teachers, and my dear students. As we all the people know that for last couple of years, National Education Policy is launched, and National Education Policy says whatever we are teaching, whatever the information we want to convey to the students, we all the people need to be very, very organized, very, very composed, calm, relaxed. For that, activities are very, very important. So this is one of the activity we keep on conducting in the class. But today, actually what happened, one day I was talking to the students of 11th A, and they said, sir, I was telling them that you are the seniors of the school, so you should behave like seniors. They said, sir, we have got super seniors, the students of 12th, and sir, you said that they are very good speakers, so let's have, we want to challenge them. So the students of 11th A, they are sitting to my right. They people challenge the students of 12th A. I hope you will enjoy this activity. So we were thinking about a topic. In their syllabus there is a chapter discovering Tut. In that chapter, a prince died when he was a teenager. So students advised me, sir, can we conduct an activity that whether we are happy or our forefathers were happy? हम लोग ज्यादा खुश हैं या हमारे पूर्वज ज्यादा खुश थे? पूर्वज का मतलब 30 साल पहले के लोग, हमारे दादा, पापा नहीं, पापा तो हमारे साथ थे, right? So are we happy or our ancestors, our forefathers were happy? We are having 2 jury members. In fact, I invited 3, but one is absent. So I would like Mr. Amit Pathak to please, Amit ji, please, can you please come here? So we are having 3 jury members. They will observe each and everything closely along with you, all the people. After that, they will give a judgment that how was the conversation. प्रधानाचार्य ने एक बड़ी अच्छी बात कही मुझसे 5 दिन पहले. मैंने कहा सर एक चीज चैलेंजर है और दूसरी टीम डिफेंडर है, तो सर हो सकता है एक टीम हार जाए. तो सर ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी बात कही जो मुझे क्लिक करी. सर ने मुझे कहा हारते तो हम कभी है ही नहीं, या तो जीतते हैं या फिर सीखते हैं. तो कुछ गलतियां हो सकती हैं, ऊंचा नीचा हो सकता है, तो आप लोग क्षमा प्रार्थी भी होंगे. Thank you so much. But you all the people need to be disciplined. Speak one by one from this side, one from that side. In each team we are having a captain. The captain of this team is, what's the name?
Sir, Neha Joshi.
Neha Joshi from 11th A. She is the captain. From this side we are having, what's the name? Nimesh Chauhan. So 11th A is going to support that we are happy. हम लोग ज़्यादा खुश हैं. And 12th A is going to support that who are happy. Our forefathers, our ancestors were happy. You must be having 2 mics. The same you will have. I would like Neha to start. It would be an activity of 20 to 30 minutes maximum. So minimum 20, maximum 30. I hope you will enjoy. Please stay focused.
First of all, a very pleasant good morning to everyone, and I am very thankful to Deepak sir for giving us an opportunity. And let's start. So I think that we are more happier than our forefathers because we have all the luxuries, all the things which we need to live. We are free, we have freedom, we are free from the things like Sati Pratha, child marriage and other things which were happening in our past, and we are so happy. If we tell, we have the freedom to educate, we have the freedom to live our dream, we can go further to education and many things.
Do you think we have freedom from everything? Are you free from internet? Are you free from the slavery of internet? Like whenever you go home, as soon as you reach home, first thing in your hand is your mobile phone. Second thing, you turn on the data and what you do? You internet surf. That is a slavery. Second thing you said that in this time period, anyone can get higher education from many other universities. What about Chanakya? Okay, let's don't get on ancient time. In last 50 years or so, our country developed many other universities which were free, like IMMS, you may have know that, IISc Bangalore, you may have know that. That university is running from last 118 years. That was the time of our forefathers.
You have talked about that we are the slavery of internet. Can you please tell me that is internet making us slave, or we are giving them an opportunity to make us slave? It depends upon us that how we are using the internet. If we can control the use of internet by ourselves. Internet is not controlling us. We are in control. We are getting India, because of internet, ease of communication has been very much modified. Ease of transportation.
Do you really think that? I don't think that because of internet our connections have gotten any better. It has gotten many times worse, because in the past times we can meet people if we want to. We don't only text them, only say hi to them or
But we have to wait for that. We have to
No,
travel long distances
it's
by
not-
our foot or by bullock cart.
But you are not
nowadays-
physically meeting them. That's not a correct way to say that you are meeting them. You are connecting with them. Or over internet you can connect some people, but you can't really connect with them.
Sorry, I have to cut you short. So, on the note of connecting with the people, I think that you are wrong, because we can connect with anyone that we want with a touch of a button. And what is more like accessible than that? You want to travel 100 kilometers to meet your family members, or you just want to open a mobile screen and talk to them? What is more convincing than walking or
Sorry to
traveling
interrupt
100
you, but I would like to say that internet and mobile phones are discovered because we have very much communication gap between our friends
So
and relatives.
this-
But we are using it very vastly, and we are getting slaves of it.
Why are you only
According-
looking at the negative points? You should
According to
look
a
at the
survey,
positive.
more than 80% of people use their phone after waking up.
But when you're talking about at the ancient time, you have the mobile phones or that type of things to be communicate to each other. At that time, there was so many long time by the letters, and that this is the right way to be communicate to each other.
But people are happy too. They don't need mobile phones or
But at that time,
internet.
also the people happy. It is easy to communicate to each other.
What type of happiness are you talking about? Are you talking about that your parents allowed to you to side away the study and making reels on Instagram?
That was
This
not
type of happiness are you talking about?
I was just talking about. I'm just talking about that. If you have any emergency, at that time, if you say that, at that time you can write a letter and send to him.
Sorry to interrupt you. You are saying that it took to 10 to 20 days to reach that message. But nowadays, what we do? We go home and open social media and text random person.
We are talking about the emergency
Let me
things,
complete my
not
point,
about
please. Please, let me complete my point. But they have patience. But nowadays, we go to home, open social media and text random person, hello, hi, and if they did not respond, then we start judging their character by saying, oh, attitude, and all type of things. We don't have patience. We are mentally weak.
How can you say that we are mentally weak? We are not mentally weak. You just said that we are going on Instagram and making reels. That depends on you. What you do, that depends on you. That's not even, everyone is using their phones in that right way. Many people using many educational sites just to become successful. Many of them cracked IIT just by sitting at home and studying from online platforms.
Okay, you are saying that internet is useful for you guys.
Exactly, it's useful for me.
Yes, I am supporting your point. But what about suicides that are going in today's generation? You know about Sushant Singh Rajput. He is from today's generation. Why he committed suicide?
Suicide is not a new term, it was happening in the earlier time also.
But there was
At
no-
that time, suicide was committed by people when the upper caste people harassed lower class people. When the women were tolerated by their in-laws for just only for a reason they are women and they are the
On comparing that
minority.
time to this time, the suicide ratio is increased.
At that time, suicide ratios
many
were
of
also. At that time, people commit suicide because of the harassment of Britishers. Britishers ruled India for many years, and we have to do all the things according to them.
As you are saying that suicides are committed at that time also, but the ratio of that time and this time is increased. Many children of teenage age, they are committing
Can
suicide.
you tell me the reason of suicide at this time?
I can tell you that. When we in a friendship or mutual friendship, if we are hurt from someone, we go to depression or anxiety and negative thoughts.
Depression and anxiety. Depression and anxiety was faced by that time people also. But at that time, people were not that much independent and they were not allowed to, and they hesitate to speak. They hesitate to speak about depression. At that time, people don't discuss about depression because at that time there was a myth that if a person is mentally disturbed or depressed, then the person is psycho. The person was considered as psycho. At that time, people were not that much educated to discuss about.
Madam, excuse me. Which time are you talking about? We are talking about for the past last 50 to 70 years. You are going to 100 to 200 years
You took
ago.
the point of Sushant Singh Rajput there.
Yes.
So, do you know how many fans of him came for justice for his suicide, and the roots of the Bollywood were shown apart, and for his suicide, he like literally united us in front of all the big stars and the celebrities with the higher names, and told them that we are not going to look into watch their movie just because they are the big stars. It is a kind of a movement, and it would not have happened if he had died 50 or 60 years ago. Nobody would have even noticed his death. You're talking about that Sushant Singh Rajput died because of depression. Yes, he died because of depression, and depression was a problem that has been continuing from past 100 or 200 years. It is not like it just erupted when the internet came. You can't just...
Like really, people of 50 to 60 years back have got in depression, anxiety, Alzheimer's.
Yes, yes.
And
Sorry,
you are
bro, it's totally
you
wrong.
are talking about
I
suicide.
appreciate
It's done by their own will. People commit suicide by their own will. But from in ancient times in Sati Pratha, the woman was forcefully set up on the fire of her husband to be burned alive.
So you said that people are committing suicide because of their own will. Do you know that they are getting depression from that very internet you are talking about? It's not about a single thing. It's about the whole internet that has made its vast roots in our life. We are not living without it. We can't live it without it. You can say that because it has deepened its root very much. Like if you go somewhere, you post your photos that you are going there and there.
Sorry to
So
interrupt you,
it's
but-
not a good thing. You can't really blame any suicide that are committing because not of internet. It's all because of
If we are
internet.
talking about this, but we can also say that internet has made our life easier, very much easier. In ancient time, people were going through so much difficulties. If in case of emergency, they were not able to travel very fast to the one place to another place. They do not have that much facilities like we have, and we can't say that.
But if you are asking about the internet, it made our life easier. What about the game which was named Blue Whale? That committed the suicide so much because of that game. Many children died,
You
and
said
because of that.
was all apart from the things. I can talk about the internet also improve the technologies, and we are going
You know that we are that our surrounding is covered with the internet cloud. We are
At the corona time, you can also notice that by the help of internet, we can take online classes. What about that?
we can take online classes, and what about the mental concepts for studying online classes?
At that time, also the so many students take the online classes because of the internet and the technologies which
You
is
didn't
implemented
listen to
at
his
that time.
question completely. He asked how many students get developed by that online classes.
But if you not, I can
Okay, just
consider
listen,
so much.
just pay attention to the last year's score and the year before it. Our school have downgraded in the grades.
But at the time of our forefathers, the school is not so much developed. The education
We
system
don't
is not
need grades at
developed.
that time. We don't need grades at that
Why?
time. We need a general education. We don't need any trigonometry or anything. We need a general education.
Okay, I want to add something in Anushka's speech. Let's talk about Nandini. Nandini graded 90% by studying online
Do
classes.
you know a word means exceptions? You are in 11th class. You must have known about the
Okay, so online classes-
We are not talking about any one individual.
Wait.
We are talking about
This is not a discussion about a particular point. This is a discussion regarding whether we are happy or our forefathers were happy. So you have plenty of topics to discuss. So go ahead. Om Prakash wants to say something.
How can you say that we are the slaves of internet? Can you please elaborate in a brief way? How can you say that?
Can you please tell me that last time, when last time you said your parents I love you and share your feelings about them?
Yesterday, I have said tell them yesterday.
What do you tell them?
I love both of them and shared the feelings which I have for them, the problems I am facing for them in me.
Is it required to say I love you to your parents to show that you love them?
My point is that we live in a room, but we never express our thoughts between our parents.
How can
We only busy hi, hello, how are you?
Not everyone. If now said that they
And a majority of the people do
We
that.
now said that
No, all the people don't do that.
We can
No,
say that
all the people
this
don't.
is
You have to correct your survey. Majority of the people do that.
Why?
No one is,
No.
I love you, my parents, I love you.
Why do you say that I love you? Why do you say that?
I can,
Silence. We all the people celebrate Mother's Day, we all the people celebrate Father's Day, and sometimes it is very important to tell them that yes, whether you love somebody and how much you love. I said you have plenty of points to discuss, so go ahead. Okay, now Rohit will speak.
Okay. You are saying our forefather are happy. If our forefather are happy, do you agree with child marriage, Sati Pratha, and do you
First of all, child marriage was not at the time of our forefathers, or not even now. Who ended child marriage?
It was.
Who ended?
It was.
Wait, let me complete my point. Who ended child marriage?
What can you say about the social customs which were
First, let me clear my point.
discrimination?
First, let me clear my point.
Yes.
Who ended child marriage? Who ended Sati Pratha? Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy ended it. And who was he? He was our forefather. Sati Pratha is not now. It was back then. There was their mistake.
Why
They
don't we
discovered it.
present at
They
that time?
discovered it and rectified it.
no,
And
Sati
that's
Pratha
all.
was 100 to 150 years back, not
Okay,
even
let's go to child
400
marriage.
time. We are talking about 50 to
Sorry to
60 years
interrupt you,
back.
listen, we go to child life. My grandmother was 13-year-old when she got married. So do you agree that was a child marriage now?
Child marriage was going in India from last 2,500 years ago. Can you really think you can end a thing which is growing from 2 million years in 70 years?
Actually-
do you really think it's in our
Because
DNA?
now,
It's in our DNA.
Sorry to
no, not, it is not now your DNA.
Who developed these kinds of things in our ancient India?
Our forefathers did, and by
Why?
that,
Because there was lack of awareness, there was lack of education. If there was internet at that time, then I think that women would not have to face that much torture which they have faced in their ancient time.
what kind of torture are you talking about?
They are not getting education at night.
How many-
You are not getting educated at that time. Women under pressure. They were in pressure.
Hello,
They
miss.
only do household work.
Miss.
That's it, no.
Finish.
No, not right now.
You are talking about education. You don't know who was Srinivasa Ramanujan. He saved the You know about it when he gave the mock interpretation theory on an at night.
When you're talking about Srinivasa Ramanujan, and do you know about the current geniuses that are being born in India? Sundar Pichai, you're talking about Srinivasa Ramanujan. What about the new geniuses that are born here? Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, and the Googles of Adobe and
He gave new theories
he
to
was
the
also-
world.
You're talking about just a one genius
He gave the new
who
theories to the
existed
world.
not even more than 50 years ago, and you say that he was our forefather. What about the ancient
He
times?
was our forefather.
Do you know that at the time of independence, the literacy rate of India was literally 20%? Only 2 out of 10 people could read and write. And now, if you look at that data, it is 75%. So, didn't we have made a progress?
Last 2 minutes for the conversation.
still, who can solve problem better? They can. Who can deal with situations better?
How
They
can you say that? How can you say that?
How can you say that?
The position.
Because we
As
have.
you before said, there is exceptions. Not everyone is doing that.
Wait, now you said there is an exception. Let's suppose this is our hall, right?
At least they all know writing.
We don't need any writing to solve our daily household problems.
Just tell me one thing, what is happiness for you guys?
Happiness for me is freedom, which I don't have that time when Britishers rulers, Mughal rulers, empires, and the dynasty rulers. That was not the freedom. This the freedom is.
What kind of freedom do you want?
I want freedom which I.
You have listened to the song that Daddy Mummy hai nahi ghar pe. Is that kind of freedom you want?
Sorry to
I don't-
interrupt you, but we are getting the chance to speak here. We are debating here. We have the right to speak. We have the right to equality because of that fundamental right. We are right now independent.
Are they are not able to speak or say their point?
No, they were the slave of Britishers.
How you
They
got
have to do
freedom?
all the things
How you
of
got freedom?
Britishers.
Our forefathers.
We are more free because we have democracy, and in ancient time we don't have a democracy.
How you got democracy? Because of them. They
Time is just that's why you got
This is also an exception. If a king want to slit your throat 100 years ago,
And right now,
I can't understand why you all
and you
shift
are
to
not
British
about the same.
standards.
sorry to cut you off, and right now our president is Mrs. Draupadi Murmu. She is also a girl, she's also a woman and belongs to a tribe. At that time,
Do you think
there
it
was
was
no
possible
woman
to
empowerment. There was no woman in that political time.
So you are saying,
If you know, untouchability was at its high peak.
अरे last 50
female
years now
infanticide, and female infanticide. Do you know what people, how much women and how much girls have
Or-
been killed in their genital
What's up?
30 years ago?
I can understand your loophole, what's your
so you are saying you
stretch the point and go to British standard.
We are not going to finish. It's about 90. I am talking about
The points you discussed.
Time up. You all the people can surrender your minds to me. Thank you so much. Everybody take
Thank you,
a
sir.
seat back. Well, there were 16 guys from this side and 16 students from this side. This was actually a heated debate. Now I would like all three jury members to give their judgment, what exactly they felt, how was the conversation, what are the areas of improvement they must. So one by one, I would like all of them to give the feedback. Here you are, ma'am.
So both the teams have a warm debate, but there was some like that. Both the leaders did not start from formal words, addressing words from which team do you belong to, what is the topic you are in favor or against. You have to introduce to yourself with your addressing, okay? And 12th class and 11th. Both of you speak very good and warmly, and points are also cleared, and you present your data. Really very happy. So, but I am in favor of class 12A because at that time when India was not there, our ancestors were happy and satisfied. In today's life, we have a lot of facilities, but we are not happy because our desires are increasing day by day, and we don't know how to spend time with quality time with our parents. We never say thanks and we never praise them for their work. We never say gratitude words for them. If we say, we show our status, we giving a status that happy birthday and a lot of songs, but we never say friendly happy birthday and never say thanks for their work and never spend time with them. They also don't have, I think they also don't have time with you. So firstly, we have to give respect to them and try to meet them and say thanks and gratitude and give respect them, not by your mobiles, by Facebook or Instagram. I think. Thank you and very warm debate.
Ma'am, would you like to tell us who is the winners and who is the learners?
I think both of the teams are winners.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good. Saita, ma'am.
A very good morning to everyone. First of all, I am very happy to be the member of this activity. So both of the teams, they have presented themselves very well. So first of all, congratulate to both of the teams. And if the back part comes now to tell about who did well, actually both the teams did well, but according to me, the class 12th, they were more sticking to their points. And the 11th students, they were going beyond 50 years. But the part was that what kind of happiness was there 50 or 70 years back. But most of them, they went back to the 100 years back, like they were talking about Sati Pratha and all. So that is okay. So, but you were very confident when you were proving your points. So the same is, one is a winner and the other is learner. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Amit ji. Silence.
As far as my opinion is concerned, the performance of both the team was very nice. The confidence level of both the teams is very good. The content which they are preparing was very nice. And as far as my judgment is concerned, I will give them equal marks to both of the team for their confidence, for their content knowledge. So, in my opinion, both are the winners.
Sarita ma'am wish to say something more.
Actually, I want to say just a few sentences. Like both of the teams were on talking about that what was the happiness for our forefathers and for us. But according to me, what I think is technology was invented for the adaptability, for the change of time, because time is keep on changing, and we have new challenges, we have new technologies. So it's entirely depends upon us. How do we use it? How we take it? We can use it and we can misuse it too. So technology is not the criteria to hinder our happiness. So it's entirely up to us. Thank you.
Thank you, jury members. So it's a tie. The match will go in super over. Well, I really would like to thank you all the people for providing us this wonderful platform, because we keep on conducting such activities in the class. Whether forefathers were happy or I am more happy, I don't know. Right? Because I believe that we all the people need to be neutral. We cannot take a decision whether they were happy or we are happy. That's a different debate. My main focus is to improve the communication skill of the students, what they are speaking, how they are speaking, the kind of tone they are having. That is something what really matters. It's been almost 6 years I have been working in this organization, and this is the very first time I have witnessed that for last half an hour nobody is going to speak in Hindi. Whether they are students or teachers or me, anybody. So we all the people, the kind of negotiation, the kind of conversation we are having. So the entire conversation was in English. So just this was an effort. Thank you so much. Would like to give a special thanks to Honorable Principal Sir for providing this opportunity and giving us half an hour. Thank you so much. God bless you all. You did a great job. Please give a big round of applause. एक बात कहनी है मुझे, बस कहते हैं कि कई बार समझ में नहीं आता कि भक्त ने भगवान को बनाया कि भगवान ने भक्त को बनाया। कुछ लोगों को लगता है कि भगवान ने दुनिया बनाई है, कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि हमने भगवान बना दिया, जिसे चाहे उसे भगवान बना देते हैं। तो जैसे एक अच्छे वक्ता के लिए स्पीकर की बहुत मतलब एक अच्छे स्पीकर के लिए बहुत जरूरी है अच्छी ऑडियंस। तो आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा बिहेव किया, बहुत ज्यादा थोड़ा थोड़ा तो होता ही है, आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से सुना। तो थैंक यू सो मच। एक बार आपके लिए सैनिक थाल की थैंक्स फॉर द कॉपरेशन। थैंक यू सो मच।